This is a brand new 2014 Dodge Durango. It has a 6-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, voice recognition, the Uconnect infotainment system, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an energy-absorbing steering column, a rear spoiler, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Kendall Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is located at 13355 Southwest 137th Avenue in Miami. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.